If you cannot afford to buy the fonts, then these 9 websites will help you to find out the perfect font for your online and offline project. In no particular order, the first website from where you can download the free fonts is Squirrel.com. This website compiles the font from all the other font websites and link backs to those websites from where you can download all these fonts totally for free. You have the options to filter out the fonts based on their tags, categories, types and more. The second website which we want to recommend is called Fontsmith. This website is a directory of fonts that includes more than 81,000 fonts. While the website showcases the paid fonts also, however, you can filter out the results for free font. You can download fonts for commercial use from this website. Another amazing thing about this website is that every month they offer 15 fonts that are otherwise paid to download totally for free. The next website in line is Urban Fonts. Like other sites, this site is also a huge collection of free versions of the font. Visual depiction of the site is such that on the top you would see the categories of the font families. You can simply click one of the categories and scroll down where you would see the sample fonts that would be displayed along with their name. You can also preview the fonts using your custom tag. The next website which we want to recommend is Dribbble.com. This website perhaps has the best aesthetically pleasing user interface in which you can see the fonts in the form of the illustrations and graphic elements which are made by the world's best designers. You can filter out the free fonts as on the top left hand side of these illustrations you would see an icon indicating that the font is free to download. This website does not have a large library of fonts. Nevertheless, the fonts they have are quite popular amongst the designers and the web developers. The next websites from where you can download the free fonts is Behance.net. On this website, world-renowned designers showcase their creative work, while some of the designers use this website as their portfolio website. This website is especially useful for you if you want to use the new fonts in your graphic design project or for making logos, social media banners and posters. You can check out the free fonts by filtering out the results. You can also filter out the fonts by their color, script, typography, typeface and more. Fontbundles.net is a website from where you can download the collection of fonts. This website features the free fonts along with the paid collections. You can check out the free fonts by selecting the free font from the menu bar which is there on the top of the site. You can further narrow down your search with the help of filters that appear on the sidebar. Towards the left side, some of the filters that you can use to narrow down your results include regular, script font, seasonal font, web fonts and others. Fonts.com also has a huge collection of fonts that can be downloaded for free. The distinctive feature of this website is that they have a collaboration with the Google Fonts and the Sky Fonts. Sky Fonts is basically a desktop app that helps you to download the font from the internet. If you're someone who frequently tries different kinds of fonts, then you can download this Sky Font app on your Windows laptop and then you can browse and download these fonts that are available on this website. The last websites which we want to recommend for downloading the free fonts is Google Fonts. The website is provided by Google and the address is fonts.google.com. On this website you can filter out the fonts by their categories, language and font properties. You can also customize the visual display of the fonts on this website. The user interface of the site is neat and clean yet extremely efficient. The website contains more than thousands of the font families. To ease out on your eyes, this website also has a dark theme or a dark mode feature. If there is any websites which we have not covered here and you think that should have been included, do mention that in the comment section below. If you found some value in this video, do give it a like and tell others about by sharing this video, and if it's the other way around then tell us by commenting below. In any case, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.